Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to show you guys a tutorial on how to take care of your B as in Bravo 16 on your Honda Pilot, either your LX, EX, EXL, Touring, or your Elite model. So first of all, let's go ahead and turn on the engine. I'm just going to double press this without pressing the gas pedal, then you should get this maintenance due soon B16. Okay, so in case you guys don't know what is B16 mean, you could go onto your touch screen right here. So you're gonna press home button right there, and then you're going to go to a setting, and then you want to go to vehicle. And then you're going to scroll down to maintenance info. B stands for oil and filter. 1 means tire rotation. 6 means all-wheel drive oil that needs to be changed. Okay, so let's go outside, and then I'm going to show you guys on how to do all those stuff. And after that, when you finish doing all those, you could press reset. But I'm not going to do that right now. After you completely finished what it needs to be maintenance. So let's go ahead and go outside. All right, so we're over here at the front of the car right now. So B means oil and filter. So I'm going to dive into I'm going to dive under this vehicle to show you guys real quick. By the way, if you are skinny enough like me, if you don't need to jack up the car, then you could just work on your car under, but be sure to put on your emergency brake. But if you are not skinny like me, you might want to jack up the car and then put on the ramp, and then be sure to hit your emergency brake. Don't try to park like me, because I'm on the driveway right now. It's kind of hilly. You want to park inside your garage or where you could park at the even level. So let's go ahead and dive under it. Right there is your engine oil pan. And then there's an arrow going toward the screw, the drain plug. So it says engine oil, and then there is an arrow going that way. So this is where your drain plug's at. Right there, that screw. And then if you go further back, there's your filter right there. Be sure to have a towel when you unscrew it, because whatever excess oil is going to drain to your axle right here, below the filter where the black axle's at. And there were a couple of the time when I went to the dealer for the oil change, they forgot to wipe it down. And then when I come home and park on my driveway, there were a whole bunch of oil spot on my driveway or in the garage. So you got to be careful, make sure they wipe it clean, do their job right. So the oil filter is pretty easy to get access with, right here on this side right here, toward the right hand side of the passenger at the wheel. You can use a special clamp to clamp it to unscrew it. Right here is kind of tight on this side, so you want to go ahead and get on this side, okay, to unscrew it with a special tool. If this is hand tight, then if you could unscrew it, then you could just use your hand. So let's go inspect the tire real quick for the tire rotation. All right, so let's go ahead and inspect the front tire. It's kind of pretty worn out. See some of this tire threadings ripping. Not sure it's due to the road condition or what's going on, but even on the inside right here is ripped. This is a Continental tire. It's supposed to be like a premium tire, which is Adidas Ultra Boost. They also use Continental, but unfortunately it's not lasting. Look at that. It's a piece of rubber is coming out, rip apart. So, and this car is about 42,000 miles right now, and it is pretty worn out on toward the outside of the sidewall right here. But the inside there's still a lot of thread. I can put my finger in there. You see that one is ripped apart right here. A chunk of rubber is gone right there. So that's why I'm not sure it's defected or what's going on, but you see like a line in the midsection right there. So yeah, I'm not sure if that's normal or what's going on. I tried to contact the Honda dealer. They told me the tire is not on warranty. So what the heck? Look at this. It's peeling off. Look at that, it's so bad. So they try to blame either the road condition or something like that, but I don't know. So this is a passenger front wheel. See right here, this is a driver's side. What the heck? This is a driver's side wheel. Look at that. Chunk of rubber is gone. And it's happening to all this toward the side a lot. Or the edge, toward the edge. Oh my God, look at that. So yeah, it is pretty bad. So I'm not sure if I rotate the wheel, it's gonna help or not. Most likely, probably not. And this is a rear wheel, has more threading. And as you can see, the chunk of rubber is gone right there too. And this is a 245 50R20. And this one is the rear right hand side passenger side. So this one look much better of all. It's still right here too. So as you can see, you got the spare tire right here on the back. And then we're gonna go pass by the rear axle. So here is your drain plug right here. This is the axle right here. Needs to fill with the oil. So you just use a regular ratchet to loosen that up. And then up here is your fill plug. It says DPSE. There's a hole right here for your tool to go in. Right there. So you can use like an extension. Be sure you can loosen this fill plug first before you loosen your drain plug, or else you're gonna have trouble once you drain it and you cannot get this fill plug to open it up. Then it's impossible for you to dry because there's no differential oil in the axle. You're gonna ruin it. So anyway, that's this is a tutorial on how to change your oil. This is a tutorial on how to change your differential rear oil. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments down below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.